begin to.
Morning, guys. Welcome to another episode of October. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos. But before I be talking too much, I just woke up. Haven't washed my face, haven't brushed my teeth, my lips are dry. So yeah, guys, we have errands to run today. We have things to do today. So you guys are gonna spend the day with me. And yeah, before I do that, I have to clean this room. This room is a mess. Yesterday I had a client, and yeah, it's a mess. Let me show you guys. Look at this, guys. Began. Look at this. Look at this. Yo, guys, this is bad. This is a bad. So let me quickly clean. Quickly clean, and then yeah. Guys, I'm having my first meal of the day, which is Weet-Bix. Yeah, these past 3 days I wasn't eating in the morning. I don't know why, but yeah. So this is this. Guys, I just took a bath, a bath, and then I have to fix this week. And then I'm gonna leave. Why am I so shiny? My skin? Okay, guys, we're in my mom's room. I want to do my hair because I need her mirror. I don't have a mirror. I should buy myself a mirror for my room. Ooh, let me take off this bag. Guys, because wow. Oh, guys, and yes, my mom used to have a radio over here. I think la radio and yes, but this is also better. You let me start off with this band, cause wow. I think I'm gonna need. Do I need glue? Yes, I need glue. Let me go fetch my glue in my room. Okay, I got the glue. I'm so lazy to straighten my hair, guys. Yes, it's out in. Okay, now I forgot that comb I need. Huh. Back. This is what I need. Okay. Because I need to put glue. Lan. Yeah. Okay. So good. Guys, I'm running late. I wanted to get out the house 10 o'clock. The time is like 2:11. Otherwise, I'm wearing this baseball jacket from Shein. I'm wearing Shein my whole outfit. This bodice is from Shein. This is from Shein. My bag is from Shein. And then I'm gonna wear these. I'm wearing these sneakers I got from the further market. It's lighting good. Let me change. Put you guys in it. Oh, I'm in the yes, this is my outfit. Okay, let's leave. Oh, guys, yeah, this is me. We have to go to I'm not sure if I'm gonna go to both banks or one bank. Yeah, I have to go to the bank. Ugh, sorry. I have to go to the bank. I have to go to Clicks. I have to go buy paint for the whole house. Like, this whole house needs to be painted. I have to go buy paint. And yeah, I have to fix my debit order thing because, guys in. Yeah, for guys who are Jajani, I'm so lazy to straighten this hair. But I do have an, what do you call this? To tie it up, but not now. Let me go to proper light. Yeah, that's much better. Now you guys can see me. My skin is skinning, okay? I need to buy the Glam spray to hide this lace, okay? Or the Clicks, what do you call that? The Clicks holding spray. Yeah, guys, let me leave. Yeah, she's watching me, guys. One thing about the Star Bank, they will make me wait in a long queue, but all I need is to link and delink an account and transfer money on the app. But they'll make me wait this whole line. Guys, the bought shame because I need this money in my this money that's in my savings account. But there's no way I'm standing in that queue. No way. I am get. I'm gonna use the money that's in my current account to show. You guys, today guys need to see the queue. Never told me paint is this expensive. I'm gonna show you guys. Guys, I have to look at it. One thing about me, I'm eating pizza. Guys, I don't want to even look at you guys. Look. ngene ekhaya kodwa bapha abantu balapha yuzanoliphathisa vula gate. Guys, I'm currently gonna straighten this hair and then because I want to do it now. Whilst I'm straightening this hair, I'm gonna eat pizza. I ate this. I'm not gonna enjoy this pizza because I ate these mint seeds. Yeah, it's ice like in a mint, so so I'm gonna straighten this hair and then yeah guys, because I know if I won't do it now I won't do it. Let me show you guys what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this ear pellet. It's almost finished. I get this from Clicks. Yeah? Then I'm gonna use a heat protectant, of course, and then I'm gonna use silicone. You guys know this one. Everything here is from Clicks. And then this I'm just gonna use when I don't think I'm gonna need this, but let's see. And whilst I'm straightening, I'm gonna listen to good music. And guys, sorry for the lighting, I know it's bad. Guys, whenever you see me, offer to buy me pizza. Yeah, you tell a pizza. Oh, even if it's panarotis, even if it's Japanese, even if it's romance, even if it's Pizza Hut, getting a little pizza guy. On my birthday, buy me pizza or send me money to buy pizza. I'll be the happiest woman on earth. Or there's nothing in eating a pizza, guys. Pizza. Oh. My birthday is on the 16th of November. By the way, yeah, I hate this lighting, guys. Bye bye. I'm gonna do this off camera because this lighting, because the lighting comes this side and the mirror is this side. So I can't put you guys here. So guys, bye bye. Don't buy me KFC. Don't buy me. Yay, buy me this. I'm done straightening my hair, as you guys can see. Okay. Yeah, I just wanna, I don't know, cause guys, this camera just cut me. I just wanna, I don't know, cause I have nothing to do and it's like 2:06. So yeah, let me show you guys something is new. It fell, guys, like it will and half of it fell on the floor. Explain to me, explain. Yo, guys, I don't want to talk. I don't know. But this heat protectant is very good, so I would highly recommend this one. I used to use the Also Heavenly one, but I think I like this one better. Okay. Okay. Yeah, guys, let me just chill. See you guys tomorrow, because I didn't do everything I wanted to do today, mainly because of the weather, because I wanted to like wash my sneakers, wash the clothes, but the weather is like, let me show you guys the clouds. Yeah, mom, this is the weather and it's been like this the whole day. Yeah, guys, I'm at KFC. Yeah, only about me out buy food, son. Guys, here's my KFC meal. It's 2-box meals, by the way. And yeah, guys, see you guys tomorrow. I've been saying this. I'm still eating this week. I still have some pizza left, guys. I think I'm gonna eat this pizza and then go to the mall. And I still have pizza left. Good morning, guys. I'm so tired. McDonald's, guys. I was supposed to get shoes, get something for my baby cousin, but she didn't get a size, so yeah. No, she got a size, man, but it's not her size. So that lady said it's on sale, so I can't return it if it's smaller. I said so I'm here at cash build to buy a paint because I didn't buy it yesterday. Yeah. Hi guys, I woke up, I uninstalled my wig, and yeah, now I want to take I already made my bed. I was prepping my wig because I want to reinstall it. Yeah, I used this. Let me show you guys. This is what I used to remove my wig, and I just used it wasn't that much. And I prepped my wig. Let me show you guys. I prepped my wig, but I haven't ironed it yet. I just combed it, and then wiped the lace, and then I don't know if I should install my wig with you guys or I should make a TikTok. No, I'm gonna make a TikTok video. Yeah. Then if you're not following me on TikTok, follow me. Why is this open? If you don't follow me on TikTok, follow me. I'm sinezipho, and I'm gonna take a bath now. I'm gonna install my wig, and then I'm gonna cook, and then after that I'm gonna I don't know if I'm gonna study or I'm gonna do my business management assignment. I'm not yet sure, but that's what I'm gonna do today. The time is currently, I think, 12 o'clock. Yes, it's 12 o'clock on the dot. Let me quickly do these things, and then guys, I'm just here to end off this vlog. Hope you guys did enjoy. I just want to thank the people who watch my vlogs till the end, who like, who share, who comment in each and every video. I see you guys, and I'm just here to thank you guys, and I'm also here to end off the vlog, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog as much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. And guys, hopefully by the time we reach this video, by the time I post this video, we'll be at 200 subscribers. Yeah guys, so tomorrow I'm just gonna go to church. I might start a new vlog, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure. And guys, I just love you guys, and I appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe.